शोभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्यं सुखसम्पदं शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशय शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशय दीपं ज्योति नमोस्तुते Welcome, sir. We have Raghunatha sir, who is our chief guest of this program. He has guided many of around 5,000 students who have been present learning abroad in MBBS course. We have Harsha sir, who is the head of the Summit Careers. Welcome, sir. And we also have Radhakrishnan sir, who has been the management of this Holy Christ Education Society. Welcome, sir.
As our associate for the last more than 17 to 18 years, we have been associated in the abroad education from a long time, and we have been into the medical education, most of the part medical education since MBBS. MBBS is like a dream to become a doctor. Most of the parents and the students, they look for a career which is very fulfilling, satisfying, as noble as the teaching profession whatever. So the most of noble professions, as we see, is the teacher and the doctor. So these professions, we wanted to give access to the government state medical university, which is in Belarus country, Belarus, Europe country. So this university is a government medical university. It teaches for 4 years, 8 months, 2 months more than what is taken. Then they should be having 12 months of internship. They have 12 months of internship, and internship should be done only in that same college. So they have their own government hospitals. So student does the internship only in their own medical college, I mean hospitals. Then it should be in English medium. Entire course should be conducted in English medium. They are having English medium right since 2003 onwards, more than 20 years experience they have. So first year till last year, they will be conducting everything, the teaching and the exams and the books, everything are in English medium. Only thing is, they need to learn the language, local language, because, for example, if you are able to communicate, because I am talking to you in English and you are able to understand. But if I go somewhere in Karnataka, I may have to talk in Kannada. If I don't know the language, it will be very difficult for me to communicate. In India also, state to state, the language varies. In India also, whenever a doctor takes, suppose a student of Karnataka, he takes an admission in Andhra Pradesh, Pedicel. So, after third year, when they go to the hospitals and interact, they have to treat the patients. So, the patient will be coming and he will be speaking in his local language, not in Kannada or in English. So, they have to learn the local language. Learning the local language is very, very important component in medical education. So, for that reason, what these foreign universities will do is, from the first year onwards, first semester onwards, they keep teaching as a non-medical subject. They will be teaching the local language also. Till third year, they will get so much of proficiency that when they enter into the hospitals to treat the patients, they will be able to converse with the patient. They don't require to go into the grammar or something like that. Just they need to converse with the patient. Patient gives in a paper and years are very, very important clinical professions will be there. Clinical training will be there on the clinical subjects. And the last year is house surgeon, we call it as internship. At that time also they will be doing the clinical rounds on different departments. So language is only not for the sake of interacting with the patients. First year till last year, entire exams and tests are only in English medium. So these things we ensure and we provide the admissions to this university. And what is the cost? What is the cost of the education there? So we find that we are having different categories like A category, B category, management quotas, salary quotas. So they don't have any such kind of category.
President of Indian Student Union, Lankan Union, Turkmenian Union, and African and Arabic Union together. Because the number of students from this country is not so huge. I know, and maybe all of you know, that medicine this is practical specialty. And all our students have the opportunity to integrate into the specialty from the first day of first year. From the first year, all our students, Indian and other students, have a class in our affiliated like university, up-to-date equipped hospitals. But our hospitals, maybe 99% government hospital. Our university is working only with government. Some our teacher, for sure, have a health partner and embassy, or sometimes the first secretary of your embassy. Usually takes a part in our graduation ceremony, which is broadcast all over the world online. And every parents may put some link and may see all ceremony from beginning to end. After graduation, a lot of our graduates move abroad and improve and try to improve their diploma abroad. And that's why our diplomas have international accreditation in a different medical council of all over the world, particularly MCI. With Medical Council of India, we are working closely, and all requirements of MCI will have done. That's why the last year, 6th year of our university, which consists only from clinical rotation, surgery, obstetrics, internal disease, ophthalmology, otolaryngology, anesthesiology, and other clinical subjects, it improves by MCI like internship in India.
This is supposed to be the degree is valid in entire Europe because it is World Federation of Medical Education accredited degree. The program is accredited by the World Federation of Medical Education, which is the highest pinnacle body in medical education. Under that comes the ECFMG, AIMER and other American institutions, AMC, Australian Medical Council, NCC, the Council of Medical Council of Canada. All these things are under the WFM. WFM is the highest pinnacle body. They have accredited. So the degree is valid not only in European countries, it is valid in the entire world. So the opportunities of getting the job not only in Europe is more because the curriculum matches in Europe. But across the world they can take the jobs because each country has got its own examination system. In Europe, they don't have much of the interview or something is needed and the language. But suppose you go to US, you are trying US only, step 1, step 2, step 3. For UK, lab. Then for Canada, NCC exam, NCCE. Then for Australia and all, AMC exam is there. That way, every country has got that examination and children people competing in the exam and they take their seats. But in general, for the students who are graduating from government state which is a European country, the European curriculum which is being taught, it matches with the other curriculums of the other European countries, and they have the PG prospects not only in Belarus, but also in Germany or France or Italy or Switzerland, anywhere, because curriculum matches. So, and here is Mr. Bharat. Bharat is there. He is working out for UK. He will share the details about UK. Sir, shall I allow Bharat to tell about the UK?
My name is Bharat Chandra. I graduated from Domestic Medical University 2021. I have done my clinical residency program in Domestic Medical University. Right now, I can tell you about post-graduation what to do. So after post-graduation, our education system, Domestic Medical University is having from first to sixth year, the clinical rotation is 4,847 hours, which is equal to the European curriculum. So if we want to apply for the, like right now, our students have done after completing the graduation, they already started working on this foreign exams, like if it is USA, USMA, UK, lab, and Germany, like we need to go.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅನ್ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದುಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಗೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸಿಸೇರಿಯನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ 1.5 ಲಕ್ಷ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಳಿತಾಯದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹಬ್ಬ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ರಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, LKG ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, PUC ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು MBBS ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗಗನ ಕುಸುಮ. ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀಟಲ್ಲಿ 50% ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಹೊರಟೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು 50% SC, ST, OBC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ 1, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೀಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸಹ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 7 ಲಕ್ಷ 8 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಕೋರ್ಸು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 11 ತಿಂಗಳು ಹೌಸ್ಮನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಖರ್ಚಿನ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬಿಲೋ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ ಲೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಅಮಿತಾಬ್ ಬಚ್ಚನ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಗು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಬಿಗ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು MLA ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಯಾರು ಕನಸು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, IAS IPS ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಕೆಲವರು ಕಾಣ್ಬೋದು. ಆಗ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗ ಮಗಳು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕನಸು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ.
As a associate, we want to honor him, and also we want to honor him through our team, sir.